Hi guys, thank you for doing this giveaway for the two $50 Bitcoins. Just want to let you know the reason we're doing it on 10/1, yes, I know it's been like a couple months, is because it's actually mine and my wife's first anniversary. So a special day, I wanted to do a special giveaway. Okay, we also have a new kind of giveaway coming up. For a while, every time we hit 100 subscribers, for example, 200, 300, 400, we're gonna also do like a swag giveaway. It could be $20 cash in your PayPal, Venmo. It could be a company t-shirt. It could be a company face mask with a pen. It could be a company sticker. You get the point. It will be something. The only way to win is when we hit that, for example, 200 mark, the last video that was out, we're gonna go and take whoever's a subscriber, comments and likes that video will be the one to win. So if only two people subscribe, or two subscribers even commented on that video, it's a 50-50 chance. So definitely comment, like, and make sure you're subscribed. The reason we're doing it this way is because our last giveaway was to earn subscribers and get subscribers. These 100 subscriber giveaways that we're doing now is basically to reward our subscribers. We also have a $50 giveaway for when we hit 500 subscribers over on our Facebook channel. If you go down in the description, you'll see the link to the post. All you have to do is like our Facebook page and then make a comment on that post saying you're a subscriber, done, already done. That's all you have to do and you'll automatically be entered into that giveaway. Okay guys, so keep subscribed, keep commenting and liking on the videos, and we'll keep doing the giveaways. Now it's time for the drawing. Oh wait, we gotta do this first. Okay guys, we're back. Now it's time to do the drawing. So we went old school for the first $50 giveaway from the Facebook, the extra entries. We put names in a hat, so thank you for all the people that went that extra step. My wife ended up drawing a name, and it's Julian Maruka. So congratulations to Julian Maruka. We'll end up getting your $50 worth of Bitcoin to you. Feel free to reach out to me at my IM on my Facebook to have any kind of contact. Okay, the second one, we're going to do the random generator. So we are going to pick okay, the winner is It's Rosie for the YouTube $50 Bitcoin giveaway. So congratulations to her. Also, same thing, reach out to me on my Facebook IM. I just want to make sure that the addresses we have on YouTube are the correct addresses for you guys before we send you the money. So congratulations on that, and thanks guys for entering. So guys, thank you for being loyal subscribers. We definitely appreciate it. Also, don't forget the drawing over, or the giveaway over on Facebook. Go ahead and hit that. The upcoming drawings for the loyal subscribers. We definitely appreciate you guys. We're also going to be doing a little different on our YouTube videos now. We're going to try to make them to help more of the new people in powder coating, to where we're going to talk during it a little more, just to kind of explain what we're doing. I didn't do it to start with because I hate editing. So any of the parts that has me talking, if I screw up, I'll just correct myself. I'm not gonna make it perfect like the other YouTube guys do. I just don't have the time. So hopefully you bear with it. If you don't, sorry. Besides that, I just wanna thank you guys. And if you have any questions, some of you guys reach out to me on my Facebook IM. I have like 10 or 12 of you guys that do that. So if there's any new people out there that need assistance or need help, just make a comment in the post or actually IM me on my Facebook page, and we're always here to help you guys out too. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Now, earning new subscribers. Erase that. Our other reason our 500 subscribers on this channel. And that automatically enters you into that post, which is down here in the descriptions. Go in your name for doing that. And my wife ended up picking. Okay, wait a second. Now it's time to do the drawing.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Hate being on video. I actually hate editing. Hate it. But we need to do. Yeah.